In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a customer statement in Zoho Books step by step. Customer statements are extremely useful when you want to send a summary of transactions to a client, show outstanding balances, or simply provide a clear financial record of what a customer owes or has already paid. If you run a business, manage invoices, or work in accounting, knowing how to quickly generate customer statements in Zoho Books can save you a lot of time and help keep your records organized. I'll walk you through the entire process, from navigating to the customer section, all the way to emailing, downloading, or printing the statement. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Zoho Books tutorials and accounting software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Zoho Books account and open your organization dashboard. Once you're inside Zoho Books, look over to the left side of the screen where the main navigation menu is located. From this menu, click on Sales. The Sales section is where you manage customers, invoices, payments, and other sales-related activities. After clicking Sales, select Customers from the list. This will open your full customer directory where all the clients or customers in your Zoho Books organization are stored. Now scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the specific customer you want to generate a statement for. Once you find the correct customer, click on the customer's name to open their detailed profile page. Inside the customer profile, you will see several tabs across the top, such as Overview, Transactions, Mails, and more. Look for the tab labeled Statement. Go ahead and click on the Statement tab. This section is where Zoho Books automatically compiles all financial activity related to that specific customer. After opening the statement page, the next step is choosing the date range for the statement. At the top of the page, you'll see a date range selector. This allows you to control the period of time that the statement will cover. For example, you can choose options like this month, last quarter, this year, or you can set a completely custom date range depending on what you need. Selecting the correct date range ensures that the statement only includes transactions within that time period. Once you've chosen the date range, the next option to look at is the Filter by dropdown. This is important because it determines which transactions appear on the statement. You can choose all transactions if you want the full history of invoices, payments, and credits for that customer, or you can select outstanding transactions if you only want to show unpaid invoices or remaining balances. This is especially useful if you're sending the statement as a reminder for pending payments. After applying the filter, Zoho Books will automatically generate the customer statement for that specific period. You'll now see a clear summary of invoices, payments, credits, and balances associated with that customer. From here, Zoho Books gives you several options for sharing or saving the statement. If you want to send the statement directly to the customer, simply click the mail icon. This allows you to email the statement straight from Zoho Books to the customer's registered email address. If you prefer to save a copy for your records, click the PDF icon to download the statement as a PDF file. This is useful for bookkeeping, reporting, or attaching the document to other communications. And if you need a physical copy, you can click the print icon to print the customer statement immediately. This is helpful if you're preparing documents for meetings, physical records, or client documentation. And that's it. That's how you create a customer statement in Zoho Books quickly and easily. As you can see, Zoho Books makes it simple to generate professional statements, filter transactions, and share them with customers in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Zoho Books tutorials, accounting tips, and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.